Hello, and welcome to another tutorial for closed-end fund mastery. A new feature was added last week to the closed-end fund mastery super screener and interactive report, which allows you to filter closed-end funds by asset class. This was actually the most requested feature asked for by users. To look at it, to use it, it seems pretty simple. Just click on an asset class to filter it out from all the other closed-end funds. But there are a couple more things that you can do with it. By default, you can click on one asset class at a time, click on another or another. When you're done, you click on the little funnel icon with the X in it to clear the selection. Another way you can use the asset class filter feature is once you have an asset class selected, you can click on this little multi-select icon up here, and it will allow you to select as many asset classes as you wish. Once you're finished with your search, you can click on the funnel in the upper right with the X next to it to clear your selections to bring all closed-end funds back. Now that asset classes have been added to the super screener, we now have a category, asset class, that can be grouped. We can group by senior loans, preferreds, MLPs, etc. Say, for example, we wanted to select a small handful of asset class categories and have them sorted by final scores. If you click on the final scores header to sort funds from highest score to lowest, and you slide the spreadsheet over to the right just a little bit, you'll see the asset class column. Click on the little gray arrow to sort A to Z, and this will group all asset classes sorted by the highest final score, as you can see here. Another example, you can sort funds by highest yield, and then sort by asset class from A to Z. And it'll show you each asset class sorted by highest yield. Finally, when we're done with our search, or if we want to choose other options, just click on the X funnel icon here in the upper right, and that brings all of the closed-end funds back, and we can start again. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below or send an email to TheDividendTimes one word at outlook.com. Thanks for watching.